पापा, मैं यहाँ चौराहे पर था। यहाँ पर मैं चला रहा था, सामने गाड़ी से भिड़ गया। यहाँ लोग मुझे मार रहे हैं, सता रहे हैं। मैं क्या करूं? मुझे बचा लो। भगत राम शर्मा, a 65-year-old man who worked hard his entire life, was on his first ever visit to Goa. He was along with his wife Leela and 3 children. He was in Goa to celebrate his daughter Ruchika's birthday. Ironically, Bhagat Ram Sharma, fondly known as TV Wale Sharma ji, wanted to always buy a Thar, and ironically, it was a Thar that took his life. The driver that was behind the wheel in this red Thar, which ended up taking Sharma ji's life, was a 19-year-old child, Shaurya Goyal.
लाइव बना रहे, हम गिट्टी के मारे बना रहे थे। उनकी कोई गिट्टी, आपकी कोई गलती नहीं है। कोई गलती नहीं है आपकी। परेशान ना हो आप, परेशान ना हो आप। निकाले, कोई गलती नहीं है। परेशान ना हो आप, जाओ। कोई गिट्टी की बना रहे थे, हम गिट्टी की ही बना रहे, गिट्टी की ही बना रहे और गिट्टी ही हटवाने अब है।
He was enjoying his Goa trip with his 4 school friends in a rented Thar. February 23rd at 5:50 p.m. in the evening at a junction in Asagaon, this rented Thar rammed straight into a white I-20 which was unfortunately carrying the Sharma family. The impact was catastrophic. Sharma ji ended up taking on severe head injuries. His wife Leela ended up with multiple leg and rib fractures, currently entirely bedridden. In the back seat was Sharma ji's granddaughter, a 5-month-old infant who fortunately and absolutely miraculously escaped unhurt. That was sheer luck. The Happy Bar Junction at Gurgaon at Asagaon turned into a crime scene for an innocent family in under 5 seconds. This is a deadly junction which comes in from the route where you come in from Mapsa and go towards Anjuna. Now as we have been showing you at MQM News Network, the delayed medical service comes into play. First, there are no signages. First, there are no civic urban infrastructure on the roads in these areas because every possible empty plot and land and road is allotted to construction of illegal properties. And then what remains is a tiny narrow road for luxury vehicles, for heavy duty vehicles, for cycles, for scooters, everything to roam freely on that tiny narrow road. The 108 Emergency Response Service, which promises to reach a site of accident, a site of emergency in under 18 minutes time, took over an hour to reach their spot. Witnesses present at the spot also confirm that a private ambulance also took over an hour to reach the spot. Within this time frame, Sharma ji, a 65-year-old senior citizen who was very much alive and was suffering from critical skull head injuries, stayed on the spot while the killers present in this red Thar, Shaurya Goyal and his entourage, continued to display arrogant attitude, and instead of calling an ambulance, their first call and only call was to their daddy. पापा, मैं यहाँ चौराहे पर था। यहाँ पर मैं चला रहा था, सामने गाड़ी से भिड़ गया। यहाँ लोग मुझे मार रहे हैं, सता रहे हैं। मैं क्या करूं? मुझे बचा लो। This was the call made by Shaurya Goyal, this child who is old enough to murder but is not old enough to take responsibility for his actions. Sharma ji was then taken not to the Tuem hospital, which has recently been grandly inaugurated but lacks all and every infrastructure to handle any patient, to handle any emergency patient, was then rushed to the district hospital in Mapsa, where Sharmaji was declared brought dead. The man was still alive, but it was too late to keep him alive. His dead body's post-mortem was later conducted at GMC Bambolim. Medical reports have ruled out intoxication, have ruled out the drunk driving scenario. These children were absolutely conscious, in control of their actions, in control of their minds, and they chose to have their thrill, fun ride in their Thar and killed a man who worked hard his entire life and brought in his family with his children and his wife and a grandchild, and ended up dying. Bhagat Ram Sharma's granddaughter will now grow up never getting the chance to speak with, to interact with, to bond with her grandfather, losing him for no fault of theirs. Who is accountable for the loss of this bond? Shaurya Goyal, this 19-year-old child, was booked for negligent driving, reckless driving under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. This is a bailable offense. So let me break this to you. Not only did this child kill a senior citizen for his own fun thrill ride, he managed to secure bail within hours of committing a serious, heinous crime. This is not an isolated case of children committing severe, blatant hit-and-run cases. We had recently reported to you about Dhrumil Patel and Meenal Patel, two young 33-year-old couple who were returning home on their scooty after shutting their shop after working the entire day in Parel at their shops. They were returning home on their two-wheeler when a notorious 17-year-old Instagrammer hit them in his Kia Seltos. This 17-year-old child was infamous for running an Instagram page about how driving in high-end premium luxury cars is the need of the hour, and killing people while you do this, that's just collateral damage. The Kia Seltos belonged to his father, and this child also managed to get bail within a couple of hours and even is being tried only as a juvenile. This child is old enough to ride these high-end luxury cars, but is not apparently old enough to be tried as an adult. At MQM News Network, we had reported about the severe injuries to Dhrumil Patel and his wife Meenal Patel as a result of this murderous accident. Dhrumil Patel, who fought for his life for 10 days on ventilator, has now passed away. Yes, while this teenager who killed him is about to turn 18, Dhrumil was about to turn 34 in a couple of months of time. He worked hard his entire life, opened up a shop, and ended up dying at the hands of a reckless, shameless child who is now free to write his 10th board exams. Dhrumil's family was offered 40 lakhs blood money to just shut the case. All of the digital footprint of the child who committed this murder were completely removed from his social media handles, as is usually done. Another aspect that we want to highlight here is how every car brand in the entire world is designed for the anatomy of a male body. Women drivers, female drivers are almost 50% more likely to 100% die in a car crash. The airbags are designed for a male chest. The seat belts are designed for a male body. A woman who gets trapped in such accidents will have 50% less chance to survive it. Now imagine if the woman is a senior citizen, that death is, even if she manages to survive the accident, she will not be able to leave the automobile because it is not designed for her. She is all the more likely to 100% die. This is not hit and run. This is kill and run. This is crash and cash. This is bail and brag. The irony of this entire situation is it's perhaps high time that high-end luxury car showrooms start giving out two things when they have customers coming in to buy their Porsches, Thars and any other high-end SUV for their children or themselves. First should be the set of keys of their cars, and second, a pre-filled bail application because they are going to need it very soon. This is a systemic failure. It ranges from different aspects, right from not deciding how a minor who is minor enough to not be jailed but to drive, not to vote but to comment on social media, to enjoy the cancel culture but not be present on the streets. This needs change. The hospitals across the state of Goa need to be upgraded. False inaugurations like that of 2M Hospital needs to change, and real hospital medical infrastructure needs to be put into place. Urban planning which lacks in the entire state of Goa, narrow streets because all of the land is allotted to high-end luxury properties, ends up also contributing to their economies. Tourists come in from different cities, owners are from those cities, the money comes in, the money goes back to the same states, and Goa's treasury remains empty, unable to support those who actual need in Goa. The emergency disaster funds are all set aside for man-made murders like Birch by Romeo Lane, whereas this disaster management fund is supposed to be kept aside for those in Goa, for those who spend their lives following the book of the rule. I will end this video by saying enough is enough. Justice for Bhagat Ram Sharma, justice for Dhrumil Patel. Enough with this hit and run. It's time to try these rich kids as rich adults. This is Misbah Qadri reporting for MQM News Network. Stay informed, stay vigilant and stay tuned in to MQM News Network.